Today I will be introducing you to the new and improved Cathodic Protection Inspection Tracking page on P3. In order to navigate there, select Reports, Containers, and then Cathodic Protection Inspection Tracking. Once you get to our new tracking page, you will be able to see the new look and feel. This tracking page is broken up into different buckets. The first one is not current. This will contain all underground tanks that have a past due inspection. In this page, you can also waive a container that is overdue by checking the box and then hitting the flag. For example, you may use this waive function for weather-related reasons, like the ground being frozen. This way, you can push out the inspection due date to a time that makes more sense. The next bucket is no inspection. This will contain all underground tanks that do not have an inspection at all associated with the container. Under action required, you have service required. This will contain all underground tanks with action required due to a reading out of range, a dielectric union needed, tank replacement needed, or anode retrofit needed. Under container status, you will find current accounts. All of these are containers with current inspections on the account. Then you will find AG/UG not specified. These are containers that were never specified if they were above ground or underground. They go here, so if they do require a cathodic protection inspection, it does not slip through the cracks. If you have any questions about this functionality, please do not hesitate to contact P3.